to my channel. Are you looking to clear your car in Nigeria but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step process on how to clear your car in Nigeria. From understanding the requirements to final clearance, I'll cover it all. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the requirements. Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand the requirements for clearing a car in Nigeria. These include a valid bill of lading, commercial invoice, certificate of origin, SONCAP certificate, PAR, pre-arrival assessment report, customs duty and taxes. Section 2, step-by-step process. Now let's go through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Arrival of vehicle and documentation. Once your vehicle arrives at the port, you'll need to present all necessary documents to the shipping line or clearing agent. Step 2. Customs examination. Customs officers will inspect your vehicle to verify its contents and value. Step 3. Payment of duty and taxes. You'll need to pay applicable duty and taxes based on the vehicle's value and type. Step 4. SONCAP certification. You'll need to obtain a SONCAP certificate, which verifies the vehicle meets Nigerian safety and standards regulations. Step 5. PAR processing. You'll need to process your PAR report, which assesses the vehicle's value and duty payable. Step 6. Final clearance. Once all requirements are met, you'll receive final clearance and can collect your vehicle. Clearing your car in Nigeria can seem daunting, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to successful clearance. Remember to always work with a reputable clearing agent and ensure all documents are in order. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Berger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like, without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.